How to connect your Zoom H4 to the Go XLR Mini. I recently pre-ordered the new Go XLR Mini from TC HELICON in hopes of using my old Zoom H4 recorder with it. A couple of years ago, I could only use the Zoom's USB audio feature with a Windows XP virtual machine because it was only compatible with that operating system when it was manufactured. To make this work, first power up the Go XLR Mini and make sure you have the latest drivers installed and that the app loads up on your computer. Next, make sure you follow the user manual's instructions for setting up your Go XLR as an audio playback and microphone device. Once your Go XLR is set up on your computer's operating system, it is time to set up your microphone. The Zoom H4 will require the power cord connection to function in this way. Once powered on, you will see this screen. Then, connect a 3.5mm cable from the Zoom's line output port to the Go XLR's front 3.5mm microphone connection. Press the menu key to bring up the menu and scroll either up or down using the Zoom's jog dial on the right side. Select the USB option by pressing into the middle of the jog dial button. For the USB mode, select Audio I/O and press the jog dial button. You can change the sample rate or just press the jog dial button on Connect. You are now in Audio I/O mode and the Zoom is transmitting its mic signal through the 3.5mm cable to the Go XLR. You can modify the mic options from this screen with the jog dial button. To exit this mode, press the menu button on the Zoom and press OK on the Terminate the Connection option. You can verify the signal is being received by the Go XLR by opening the Go XLR app and clicking the Mic Setup button. For the select microphone type, select 3.5mm. You can see the mic meter measuring your audio input from the Zoom H4 when you test it. You can set a gain level for it to make it more sensitive to input. It's higher and lower. Press OK and you can further modify your audio settings in the app. You can now use the Zoom H4 as an audio microphone device with Windows 10, thanks to the Go XLR Mini. While it's a roundabout way of making this older technology work with newer technology, this workaround will allow you to put that older Zoom mic to use. I hope you could have used this video for your benefit. I will be using the Go XLR with the Zoom H4 to make more recordings of me playing music on my tuba, which you can check out on my YouTube channel. The XLR connector seems really neat, and I can't wait to try out professional microphones on it for high quality material. If I were to give a mini review for it, I'd say it combines a quality external sound card with easy to use interfaces. I can finally do tuba streams again. Thanks again for watching.